Are you tired of this? Or that? Or this? And being that guy? Well, I'm here to help. Now I know you're thinking, oh, this is the same box from the last video. Yeah, well, it's the only box I have out right now because I break down my boxes. And I'm here to show you how to do it too. Now, a lot of you are gonna say, oh, well, I don't need this. I like my boxes the way they are. Great, wonderful. Don't care. This is for the people that are tired of stacking their boxes, right? Where do I put them after I take the shoes out? What do I do with the boxes? I have all these empty boxes. I don't know what to do with them. Well, I just stack them in the garage, basement, the attic, a corner somewhere. No, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. And you know what? Not all boxes are going to be the same, right? Some are built differently, set up differently, made differently, whatever. In this particular case, a majority of the boxes are going to be like this one that I'm going to show you today. So this isn't going to work for all boxes, but a majority of them. Your basic, generic box. So let's do it. Step 1. Open the box. Obviously, right? Step 2. The inside tabs. Then and you flatten her out. Open that up. Now your box is completely flat. Oh no, but we're not done. We're gonna fold it up real nice and neat. We're gonna take these two like this, fold it on the inside. Just like that. Take these sides, boom. These inside. Okay? These inside. Bring that on the inside. Last step. Bam. And just like that, you have your broken down box. Now, what you choose to do with it is up to you. Me? We're going from box to box. Let me show you. Take our broken down box, put that guy right in there. Just like that with the rest of them. And you could fit upwards to 75 boxes in there, approximately. Yeah, no, it's not 75. But, you know, you get it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little tutorial on how to break down your boxes. Until next time, feet first.